In this lesson, we'll take a look at how 3ds Max's interface can be customized in order for us to work efficiently. I really enjoy how intuitive it is to customize the interface in Max. If we wanted to, we can instantly add tools to, let's say, our animation quad menu. You can see I've actually done that here. I've added constraints, the high IK solver, group tools, and such, everything that I'd need to work a bit faster. We could also create a custom toolbar and populate that with several tools, again, so we can work efficiently and improve our workflow as a result. So let's say we go ahead and take a look at a few ways, again, the interface here can be customized. I'm going to go ahead and head over to the Customize menu, and we'll grab Customize User Interface at the top. So take a look here. We can get to various sections of Max. We can add toolbars from here. We can go ahead and customize quad menus from here. Let's go ahead and start with our quad menu. Now we need to search for our animation quad menu. So we'll find that in the drop-down list over to the top right. Let's go ahead and grab it here, animation. And you can see by taking a look at the list, at the bottom right, you'll find the tools that I've added. So how do you add tools? Well, it's just a matter of dragging and dropping from the command list into this list. So what I like to do first is go in and add a separator just to kind of organize things. So I'll add the separator right after the curve editor. And now we can go ahead and add, let's say, our cat parent tool so we can quickly generate a cat rig. So what I'll do is click in the command list, and now we can press the C key to get to the section, scroll down, and there it is, cat parent. So let's go ahead and drag this underneath our separator. It's as simple as that. Watch this. If we were to alt right click, we can now grab our cat parent tool. So now that it's active, we can go ahead and have some fun. We can take a look at a rig preset. We can go ahead and quickly add to our scene. Let's see. How about Panther? I'll go ahead and select that. And now click once, the left mouse button, and notice a Panther rig has been added. You can see it's kind of tucked into the mountain, but that's okay. I'll go ahead and right click. I'll grab the move tool and bring them forward. All right, get a little bit closer. Great. So again, take a look how easy it was to get to our cat parent tool. It's really exciting. And by the way, if you'd like to learn more about cat as well as biped, feel free to take a look at courses like Introduction to Cat, as well as our 3ds Max to Motion Builder integration tutorial. We go in and we not only learn how to rig with those two items, but then we learn how motion capture can be applied to them so that we can quickly go in and animate those rigs. All right, so again, I'd highly recommend you take a look at those two tutorials. We go through some really fun topics in them. But either way, getting back to this lesson, again, it's very easy to customize the interface here in 3ds Max. And then what we'd want to do at this point is just simply choose Save to save all of those changes we've made. So you can see here, I've saved out my custom file as custom anim. So that means it's very easy to transport. All right, so I wanted to go ahead and show you how to work with the quad menu. Now, for toolbars, again, it's really straightforward. Simply go in and choose New. And then from there, you can go ahead and name this whatever you'd like. I'll go ahead and name this rigging underscore toolbar and choose OK. So there we have it. Now let's say if we wanted to add our bone tools to this toolbar. Well, we'd simply go ahead and search for it. We can press the B key. And we're searching, scrolling down. There's biped, but we're looking for our bone tools. Here they are. So we can simply go ahead and drag and drop to add to our toolbar. When we click, notice how quickly we can get to our bone tools dialog. Really exciting. Then, of course, again, you'd want to go ahead and save this new toolbar out the same way. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you, again, how the interface can be customized so that you can work a bit faster to get your tasks done according to the schedule that's been set out for you. So I'd like to thank you for tuning in and watching Introduction to 3ds Max. We learned some really cool concepts and techniques for creating a robust twist rig for forearms and upper arms, anywhere where there's a lot of twisting where we need to go ahead and hold volume. We've also learned how to use some of the tools to create a custom muscle and then how to tie that muscle back to a skinned asset. So we learned some really cool concepts. If you need to, feel free to go back and rewatch videos that might have not quite been too clear initially, just so you can understand, again, the tools that were used to use them to your advantage and create even more creative control rigs for animation.